Hello guys, welcome to Beyond Cooking. On today's episode, one of the most iconic foods in Brazil. Golden crispy deep fried yuca, also known as cassava or manioc. If you never tried it, I truly recommend you to do. It's something like a French fries, but way more crispier. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It takes less than a minute and helps me a lot. And let's hit the pans, come on, let's cook. This recipe is really straightforward. There's no need for any special yuca. This one, I bought it already frozen. For other yuca recipes you may need something fresher. When it happens, I will let you know. Mine is already unfrozen. I just need to cut these pieces into smaller sticks. Before deep frying, we need to cook it for a while. Put the yuca sticks in a pan, cover with water and add some salt. And put the pan to heat. When it starts to boil, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or until it starts to get soft outside. You don't want your sticks too soft, so keep watching the pan and give some pokes with a fork from time to time. When it's done, drain the water and spread on a surface to dry a little. A couple of minutes should be enough. While drying, you can remove these inedible links from the yuca core. I reserved part of the yuca for other recipe. The ones that I will deep fry, I transferred to a bowl and sprinkled some baking powder on it. This baking powder will give a crisper outside to the yuca. I like to add a garlic clove to the heating oil. This way I know when it's hot enough and also gives some extra flavor. When your garlic is already bubbling, you can slowly add the yuca sticks. Leave it there frying for 8 minutes or until golden brown. When it's ready, drain the excess oil, transfer to a bowl, add some salt and give a toss. And it's done! Let's just put in a better plate. Put a seasoned mayo for dipping. And a roughly chopped chives to sprinkle on top. And that's it, my friends, another Brazilian classic. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And see you next week.